Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joshua Franson, and a mostly sunny day on tap for today with temperatures pretty much near normal. Might be a little bit breezy though, with winds out of the north and northwest at about 5 to 15 miles an hour. They'll calm down tonight about 5 to 10 out of the east before, look at this, shifting out of the southeast and really ramping up tomorrow, potentially gusting up to 35 miles an hour. That will change the weather as we go into the future. But until then, remaining dry today, maybe a couple high-level clouds at best. Same deal overnight tonight, and we'll see those clouds slowly begin to increase during the late portions of the night into the morning tomorrow. In fact, we'll start tomorrow off pretty much mostly cloudy across our area, and then we'll see scattered showers develop as moisture increases, and some areas might get cold enough for a couple snowflakes, but at best some light rain with maybe some snow thrown in there. But we're not expecting anything in terms of accumulation. The surface is too warm. Now that will continue before eventually we'll see the clouds remain and weather become a little bit more active. Until then though, today's your day to enjoy with temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s and mostly sunny conditions tonight, dropping off into the upper 20s to lower 30s, about around where we expect to be for this time of year. Now tomorrow, there is that chance for a couple light snowflakes across some northern areas where they're a little bit cooler, but other than that, pretty much remaining cloudy with scattered rain shower chances across our area. Now, as stated earlier, tomorrow night, things could get a little bit shaky. And what do I mean by that? Well, around after midnight, we'll actually see that moisture increase enough for thunderstorms. In fact, low temperatures will be reached pretty early on in the night. We'll actually see temperatures begin to build throughout the night. So those cloudy conditions remain, and then eventually by about 1 to 2 a.m., we see that line of storms arrive. Now, these storms will contain the potential for some severe weather. No tornado risk as of now, but there is the possibility some of them could have some large hail and some strong wind gusts with them. In fact, around 3 a.m. or so, we'll see that move through our area, and then eventually by 5 o'clock, they move on out. And the main severe threat is when they first arrive. Any rain left behind these storms will just be pretty much moderate to heavy rainfall with some lightning and thunder involved. But after 8 a.m., the system completely moves out of our area. We'll start to see clouds break apart, and we'll have a pretty much partly cloudy day on tap after the storms. But until then, level 2 out of 5 severe weather risk, specifically between 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. to Wednesday, because there is the risk for some hail and some gusty winds. And further ahead into Wednesday morning, actually, there is a greater risk further off to the southeast, but we expect the storms to be moving out of our area by this time. But just know it's from Tuesday night to Wednesday morning. Make sure you're staying weather aware. We do have a yellow alert day in place for these strong to severe storms and that chance of large hail and gusting winds. And, well, make sure you're having ways to stay alert, whether that be a weather radio or broadcast stations, or of course, text alerts in our Storm Track 7 app. But at least we'll receive some nice rainfall out of this, around ½ an inch to an inch across our area. And, well, we've got some rain last week, and we're getting some this week. That really helped make things a little bit better in terms of our drought situation. And the city-by-city forecast shows that as we'll see the rain Tuesday and then some more Wednesday morning, of course, with those thunderstorms. But as we head in throughout the week, well, actually, it seems like the rain chances fall on off. So this will be the last amount of rain we see for quite some time. Temperatures today also on Wednesday after those storms pass, getting into the 70s, which should be pretty nice. But then we level it off into the 50s and perhaps even lower 60s. So enjoy the warmer weather after the storms pass Wednesday, and then, well, we'll be remaining dry afterwards.